Okay, so we are on our third day of prepositions, item 26, round 2. We are on page 72. It's really hard to see the number at the bottom, but it starts with my friend studied the lesson at school. And don't mind, it's not blood, it's from spraying the shirts outside. So don't mind the red on my hands. Okay, my friend studied the lessons at school. I see a prepositional phrase that tells me where. Who or what is doing the action? That is friend is my subject. And what did the friend do? The friend studied is my main verb. And my is a possessive adjective. Don't forget your arrow. There's a noun after my main verb. I'm going to circle it. And I'm going to ask myself, is the friend equal to the lessons? No. So I'm going to do ADJ, and I'm going to do an arrow. Now, I don't need to do the 2 or 4 if there's only one complement after the verb. Only when there's 2 do I need to do the 2 and 4. The distance from her home to school is 1 mile. Okay, so I see a 2. Let me check my 2. And I see a prepositional phrase. To school is a prepositional phrase. So I'm going to label both my preps. I'm going to label both my nouns. And only this prep phrase has an adjective. Her is a possessive adjective. Don't forget my arrow. Who or what is doing the action? It is the distance. So that's my subject. The word in front of it's an adjective. The distance is my main verb. This one's hard. Whenever there's prepositional phrases, whenever there's prepositional phrases in between the subject and the main verb, it's a little bit tricky. But remember, just take those away and then see what's left. The distance is, that's my main verb. Mile is my noun, that's after my verb, so I'm going to circle it. 1 is an adjective to describe how many miles. Don't forget your arrow. Okay, so there's only one complement, so we don't need to check and see if it's an indirect object. 2 more to go. Teachers give the students a test at the end of the day. So I see some prepositional phrases at the end of the day. First word is always a preposition, last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrows. Who or what is doing the action? Teachers are the subject. What are the teachers doing? Teachers give. Main verb. I have 2 nouns after my main verb that I have to circle. Okay. Are the teachers equal to the students? No. Are the teachers equal to the test? No. So now I want to check and see, is student a direct object? Teachers give to the students. That makes sense, so it's my indirect object. And then last but not least, don't forget my adjectives. Okay, number 4. At lunch, the man offered the child some toast for his meal. I have a couple prepositional phrases. First word's always the preposition. Last word's always the noun. His is a possessive adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Who or what is doing the action? Man is my subject. Don't forget your word in front of the subject is an adjective, the man. What did the man do? The man offered, double underline. That's my main verb. I have 2 nouns. Child is a person. Toast is a thing. Okay? So, is the man equal to the child? No. Is the man equal to toast? No. Let's check and see if child is a direct object. At lunch, the man offered to the child. Makes so much sense, indirect object. Don't forget, the word before a noun is an adjective. Okay, so your homework is to do numbers 5 and 6. Okay, so what I want you to do right here is do a face to show me how you're feeling. So happy, sad, medium. I'm feeling Happy because today is Friday for me. It's not Friday for you. All right. Anyways, we are done. Do numbers 5 and 6, and I will see you tomorrow night for the last night.